On April the 7th, 2024, around 8:18 a.m., I was doing my normal morning routine. I grabbed a cup of coffee and was heading out for a walk. I like to check the bike paths early to make sure the area was clear before people started using them and calling in about the homeless camps. Not long into my walk, I sensed someone was behind me. When I looked back, I saw a homeless person following along. He seemed harmless, so I kept going. After a few minutes, he caught up to me and asked me for the time. As it turned out, we were heading in the same direction, so we walked together and had a surprisingly nice conversation. Hopefully, I'll be able to start those morning walks again soon.
It's 8:18.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
For your bike?
What's that?
So get you for your bike?
No, I'm just walking.
I just way back over ago. I used to ride the bikes out here.
There are officers that ride bikes out here, but I'm not one of them.
I know where it works.
Yeah.
That's kind of pressure today.
What's that?
I got a little bit of a slow start.
Oh, really?
I mean, the food's still got to be down here.
Where you gotta be?
It's out of the eggs.
Oh, that's not too far.
Nah, there's food still there.
Somebody.
I want bacon.
And this early in the morning, there's supposed to be someone there?
They just started a few weeks ago on remember the church?
Yeah.
We do breakfast with Pastor Kevin,
Oh, okay.
Carl, and Garrett, and our other ones here.
What time do they start?
8 to 9:30.
Oh, okay. Well, you got time. It only takes.
Oh yeah, no worries.
I'm walking all the way down there too, so.
Yeah, just in for a few weeks ago, it's kind of missed others.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday, I missed the church lady over at Kroger's.
Oh. What do they serve for breakfast up there in the morning?
Scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, pancakes, hot cereal, cold cereal, juice, coffee, water.
Like a whole buffet spread?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I like different bacon.
Yeah, I made bacon yesterday.
My aunt, she does more than bacon.
Mm-hmm.
I've had it, it's really good, but it's a little pricey, but good.
Yeah, bacon's gotten expensive over the last couple of years.
You know, up and going up, and it's like, wow.
Mm-hmm. Everything's more expensive now. So you volunteer up at that church, or is it volunteer
Yeah,
too?
on Wednesdays, we do a cleanup, and we do any repairs that might need to be made.
Okay.
We take care of the daycare center.
Uh-huh.
We take care of the ground. That's for the upcoming co-co. We need to get the house ready by June 1st. We call it partridges. It's a house for one of our pastors. It's a house. It's a house. When we make this house, we were smart. It's got 3 bathrooms. One is standard. One is shower. Now downstairs we're messing, but they're smart. It's coming in for a drain.
Oh.
They're nice. It's going to get that closet. We got a downstairs shower.
Make it a full bath, yeah.
Even they got you had a guy that needed.
Mm-hmm.
You want to rent out the room and go out there, you could bring in a stand-up shower. You bring your hot and cold lines.
There you go.
This house is nice.
Where is it at? Is it close to the church?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not that one right on the other side, is it?
It's on this side.
Oh.
You got your coffee.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, because
The crack.
before they rerouted the creek, you had the driveway connected.
Right.
And then they rerouted the creek and they took that driveway out.
When you come up here, the hay, you got cracks.
Mm-hmm.
First time look to your left.
Yeah.
They got the reference to the house.
Yeah, I know exactly what that
But
is.
it is so nice.
Hmm.
I like it. I ran things always like, man. And that's got a fridge, stove, the works.
Hmm. Where do you live?
I'm on the land.
Oh, okay.
You know, I used to be out on Sylvan. They sort of carve up from underneath us. Once the mission course. Once still struggling.
Hmm.
all kinds of fish around there.
Yeah, I understand that.
But sometimes I'll go out to deer to the abundant flag having up the church. Because when you're out there, let's say it's on church property. I sure do.
No,
I'm up by daylight, I'm gone.
that one that's right down there by Westgate, kind of next to the firehouse, that's a shelter, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
They told me they got some money from the shelter board, but I don't know if they just do that thing where if you show up, like kind of first come, first serve.
Right.
And then they kick everyone out in the morning.
But what gets me is you don't bother nobody. We got church different township.
Yeah. Well, you know, like you said, a lot of people set up camps though, and they have trash like for miles.
Oh yes, you go across Hague.
Yeah.
Your left, one head.
There's like 3 camps back there.
Yeah, well, the first one is like trash cities in cities.
Mm-hmm.
Can't see it down, but I can't tell the rangers if you got to get the barrels out here. But if you're going up here on that wall, to the earth, like a white blanket, I'm
Yeah. Yeah. Well, and there's some right at the beginning of the trail right here at Sylvan and the tracks. Right by, it's actually 91 Oral. There's a dope house. So there's like 3 tents set up behind there.
Wow. Yeah, I was working there yesterday, and on West Broad at the Old Bank next to Aaron's doing stuff was up there. They've been there for a little while. But I've never seen like see a tent. I mean, the noise and the dogs. I see stuff in the yard. I think they got like stuff over on the bank.
Okay.
It was supposed to be rehab, but it was supposed to be gone.
You don't hang out with that girl that's got one leg out here, do you? I forget her name.
Did you?
Is it Julia?
Jojo.
Jojo. Yeah, who her boyfriend got killed last year?
Yeah, she's in a wheelchair, I believe.
Yeah.
I knew her before. I knew her when she had a leg.
Really?
And I blessed her not long ago, and I found out just a night or two ago, someone her for her tent and her sleep bag on my dime. And it was a one-time gift from the church. Well, Pat's church treasurer, and just can't think about that. But I've known Jojo forever.
Well, that explains why she was just sitting in her chair with a sleeping bag over her head.
Yeah, she was been about some nights. They're White Council. She was on my son, and I get them got her for a tent and sleeping bag.
Yeah.
And I'm talking to do down at the first shop. I think he got a sleeping bag. But I'm over there with him. You know, he's a good dude. He prayed for me a couple days ago. After telling me I got 2 bills on my work same day. It's an old sermon from way back when. But he's always looking out for others.
Yeah. I wish she would get off the street though.
I know. I mean, we're friends because we're friends.
Yeah.
She lets her out. I'm not trying to do anything to work for her. She doesn't bother nobody. And if she picks up somewhere, someone runs her off or destroys what she has, what she has, I should say. But she's not a bad person. She really isn't.
She just gotta.
She's trying to survive.
Yeah, well,
She's trying to
there's
survive.
lots of places out here that'll help her get her off the street if she'll just accept it.
I know.
She could have a much better life.
That's like my mother's friend Cindy, the older woman from the cart.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody and her brother knows Cindy. Anybody on the church who doesn't know who Cindy is.
Yeah.
Because she comes to the New York. Wednesday night we had Bible study at South Carolina Olive, right by West High School. Right there.
Oh, yeah, I know that church. I've been there.
But dude, your wife is a hell of a cook. I told her Wednesday ago she made the best meatloaf ever.
Nice.
But, I mean, and then Pastor, he's the main guy. He just wants to put some fencing around church. We're going to see stuff. Some nice little fencing in. But they've done a lot to that church. They did some major upgrades.
Really?
It's got a full-blown kitchen room, not but it's been steel. They'll work. And they do a meal, they do a meal.
Yeah, that's good. What days are they open for food?
Wednesday night, it's right by Bible study, then the dinner. And then Thursday, the district at 22, that's warm.
Oh.
Like Bob said, is the message, the meals, one of our volunteers, Brenda, she brings clothing, whatever you might need to you're looking for something. She can make it happen, she will.
Good.
They do a lot.
There's a lot of people out here helping folks.
Oh, yeah. Just a day, I'm walking down the block, and I'm bothering me. Come on, let me down. Because I got some sheep members over at FEMA. And I was shocked. I thought she was giving me 20.
Oh.
Turned out she gave me 5. She didn't even really maybe. I thought she gave me like 620. Oh, I said,
oh, wow.
I was shocked.
That's wild.
She said, "Get me." I thought it was like 20. I was shocked.
Oh, good for her.
Yeah, I said, thank you. This big guy.
Yeah, this is where I'm going to turn around and head back the other way. All right, man. You take care. Enjoy your breakfast. That was only a 10-minute walk. Yeah. So that's the house. It used to have a driveway that went all the way across. Yep.